Hey there, fellow travelers! Are you ready to ditch the ordinary and embark on a journey through the world's most captivating seasons? It's like this. Each season paints our planet in a new light, offering unique experiences that just wouldn't be the same at any other time of year. Imagine yourself carving through fresh powder on a crisp winter morning, then fast forward to springtime, where vibrant blossoms explode in a riot of color. Picture yourself basking on sun-kissed beaches in the peak of summer, then transition to autumn, where nature puts on a breathtaking spectacle of fiery hues. Well, get ready to pack your bags and grab your sense of adventure because, in this video, we're exploring the ultimate guide to traveling the world through its seasons. From frosty mountaintops to sun-drenched coastlines, we're about to uncover the magic that each season holds. Are you ready to travel the world through its seasons? Each time of year brings unique destinations and experiences that make it special. From frosty adventures to sunny escapes, here's your ultimate guide to traveling through the seasons. Winter. The time for cozy fireplaces, steaming mugs of hot chocolate, and of course, unforgettable adventures. Now, some folks might see winter as a time to hibernate, but trust me, it's a season brimming with its own unique charm. Picture yourself in Switzerland where the charming village of Zermatt awaits. Imagine yourself surrounded by towering snow-capped peaks, the iconic Matterhorn piercing the sky. Zermatt, my friends, is a skier's paradise. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer finding your ski legs, Zermatt has something for everyone. But even if skiing isn't your thing, fear not. Hop aboard the Gornergrat Bahn, a cogwheel railway that climbs to over 10,000 feet, offering breathtaking panoramas of the surrounding Alps. Now, if you're looking for a touch of luxury amidst the snowy bliss, then St. Moritz is calling your name. This glamorous resort town boasts a history as rich as its hot chocolate. Imagine yourself strolling along frozen lakes, the air crisp and invigorating as you soak in the splendor of the Swiss Alps. But our winter journey doesn't end there. Let's hop over to Japan, where the Sapporo Snow Festival transforms the city into a winter wonderland. Every February, Sapporo bursts into a celebration of all things snow, with colossal ice sculptures depicting everything from mythical creatures to famous landmarks. It's a sight that'll leave you awestruck, and while you're in Japan, you can't miss the chance to experience the magic of onsen, traditional Japanese hot springs. Imagine yourself sinking into steaming, mineral-rich waters, surrounded by snowy landscapes. It's the ultimate way to unwind after a day of exploring winter's wonders. Finally, no winter adventure would be complete without a trip to Banff National Park in Canada. Here, the Canadian Rockies reign supreme, their snow-dusted peaks mirrored in turquoise glacial lakes. Whether you're snowshoeing through silent forests, ice skating on Lake Louise, or simply soaking in the majestic scenery, Banff is a winter wonderland that will captivate your senses. And don't miss out on the unique experience of skating on the Rideau Canal. This UNESCO World Heritage Site transforms into the world's largest skating rink every winter, stretching for almost 5 miles through the heart of Ottawa. Glide along the ice, surrounded by charming shops and cafes, and embrace the magic of a Canadian winter. As winter's grip loosens and the days grow longer, the world bursts into a symphony of color. It's springtime, and there's no better place to witness this magical transformation than in Japan, where the ancient tradition of hanami, or flower viewing, takes center stage. Imagine yourself strolling beneath a canopy of cherry blossoms, their delicate pink petals dancing in the breeze. Join the locals for a hanami picnic under the sakura trees, sharing laughter, food, and the joy of spring's arrival. It's a truly enchanting experience that captures the essence of Japanese culture. But the Netherlands offers its own brand of springtime magic with Keukenhof Gardens, a floral wonderland that explodes with over 7 million tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Imagine yourself wandering through these vibrant fields of color, their sweet fragrance filling the air. Rent a bike and explore the surrounding countryside, where colorful carpets of flowers stretch as far as the eye can see. It's like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Springtime is also a time of rebirth and renewal in the animal kingdom, and there's no place more charming to witness this than on a farm stay. Imagine yourself surrounded by adorable newborn lambs, their playful antics bringing a smile to your face. Lend a hand with bottle feeding, learn about the cycle of life on a working farm, and reconnect with nature's simple pleasures. And as you explore the countryside, You'll be greeted by vibrant greenery, blooming wildflowers, and the sweet melodies of birdsong. Spring is a feast for the senses, reminding us of the beauty and resilience of the natural world. Summertime, the season of long, sun-drenched days, refreshing dips in the ocean, and adventures that linger in your memory like the scent of sunscreen. And when it comes to summer escapes, it's hard to beat the allure of the Greek islands. Picture yourself lounging on the pristine beaches of Santorini, the Aegean Sea sparkling under the golden sun. Explore the island's iconic whitewashed villages, perched precariously on volcanic cliffs, and savor delicious Greek cuisine overlooking the caldera. But Greece is more than just beaches. Journey back in time to the Acropolis in Athens, where ancient ruins whisper tales of Greece's glorious past. Wander through the Plaka district, with its charming shops and cafes, and soak in the vibrant energy of this historical city. And as the sun begins its descent, prepare for unforgettable nights in Mykonos. This cosmopolitan island comes alive after dark, with its legendary nightlife, beach parties, and chic bars. From ancient wonders to modern delights, Greece offers the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. But let's not forget about the land down under. Australia beckons with its own unique brand of summer fun. Head to Kakadu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at its ancient rock art, cascading waterfalls, and diverse wildlife. Cruise along the yellow water Billabong, where crocodiles lurk beneath the surface, and immerse yourself in the rich Aboriginal culture of this remarkable region. And if you're looking for a taste of European summer, look no further than Italy's Amalfi Coast. Imagine yourself zipping along winding coastal roads, the scent of lemon trees filling the air as you soak in breathtaking views of pastel-colored villages clinging to rugged cliffs. Explore the charming towns of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello, each with its own unique character and charm. Indulge in delicious Italian cuisine, sip on limoncello, and soak in the dolce vita lifestyle. And no trip to Italy would be complete without a visit to Venice. Glide through the canals on a gondola, serenaded by a gondolier, and marvel at the city's architectural wonders. From the Rialto Bridge to St. Mark's Square, Venice is a feast for the senses, offering a taste of Italian romance and history. As summer fades and a crispness fills the air, nature puts on its most spectacular show autumn. The leaves transform into a breathtaking tapestry of fiery reds, golden yellows, and burnt oranges. It's a time for cozy sweaters, pumpkin spice everything, and embracing the beauty of change. And there's no better place to witness this autumnal splendor than in Vermont. Imagine yourself driving along scenic country roads, surrounded by rolling hills ablaze with color. Stop at a local farm, pick your own pumpkins, and get lost in a corn maze. Vermont is the epitome of autumn charm, with its quaint villages, covered bridges, and maple syrup farms. But for a taste of autumn in Europe, head to Germany for Oktoberfest. This world-famous beer festival takes place in Munich every September and October, attracting millions of visitors from around the globe. Don your lederhosen or dirndl, raise a stein of beer, and join the lively atmosphere of this iconic celebration. And while you're in Germany, why not take a scenic drive along the Rhine River? The vineyards that line the riverbanks transform into a sea of gold and crimson, offering breathtaking views and opportunities for wine tasting. Explore medieval castles perched on hilltops, visit charming villages, and savor the flavors of the season. But our autumn adventure doesn't end there. Let's journey to South Korea, where Seoraksa National Park puts on a show-stopping display of fall foliage. Hike through the park's stunning landscapes, where granite peaks pierce the sky, waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, and temples offer moments of tranquility amidst the vibrant foliage. It's a nature lover's paradise. And as the season progresses, be sure to experience a local harvest festival. These festivals celebrate the bounty of autumn, with delicious food, traditional music and dance, and a sense of community. From the pumpkin patches of Vermont to the vibrant foliage of Seoraksa National Park, autumn offers a final hurrah of color and flavor before winter's embrace. So there you have it, folks. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched beaches of the Mediterranean, from the cherry blossom festivals of Japan to the harvest celebrations of South Korea, the world is a vibrant tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. Each season has its own unique rhythm, offering something special for every traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, the perfect journey awaits you, no matter the time of year. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and let the world's seasons be your guide. Happy travels, everyone! Each season offers its own magic, calling us to explore the world in unique ways. From snowy adventures to autumn hikes, spring blooms to summer waves, there's always a perfect place waiting for you. So which season will you explore next?